Have you ever stopped to think about why tilapia have become so prevalent in urban rivers? Today, we're going to explore this incredible journey of adaptation of these fish. Get ready to discover how they've evolved, their feeding and reproductive habits, and even the benefits and challenges of their presence in our cities. Tilapia fish, a journey through urban waters. Tilapia, or Oreochromis niloticus, has its roots in Africa, where it's native to various regions of the continent. Its history dates back thousands of years, when it began to be raised in freshwater environments by humans. However, its true potential as a farmed fish began to be explored only in the last few decades. In the 1950s, tilapia began to attract the attention of breeders and researchers due to its rapid growth rate, adaptability to different environmental conditions, and the taste of its flesh. With the advancement of aquaculture technology, tilapia was introduced to various countries around the world for commercial farming. The global expansion of tilapia has been mainly due to its ability to adapt to different environments, from lakes and rivers to intensive aquaculture systems. Today, tilapia is cultivated in many countries, including the United States, Brazil, China, Thailand, and the Philippines, becoming one of the most widely farmed freshwater fish species in the world. Tilapia has demonstrated a remarkable ability to adapt to the varied environments of urban rivers around the world. This fish species has adapted remarkably well to the conditions found in urban rivers, characterized by changes in water quality, presence of pollutants, and competition with other species. Its ability to tolerate a wide range of environmental conditions, including variations in water temperature and oxygen levels, allows tilapia to thrive in urban environments. Furthermore, its omnivorous diet and rapid reproductive rate contribute to its survival and proliferation in these rivers, even in adverse conditions. This adaptability of tilapia to urban environments makes it a common and often dominant presence in the rivers of cities around the world. Tilapia is known for its omnivorous diet, meaning it consumes a variety of foods, both of plant and animal origin. In its natural environment, tilapia feeds on algae, aquatic plants, insects, larvae, small crustaceans, and other organisms found in the water. In captivity, tilapia is often fed a diet consisting of grains, commercial feed, or live foods such as worms and insect larvae. Its ability to adapt to different types of food contributes to its success as a farmed fish in aquatic systems. The feeding habits of tilapia are influenced by the availability of food in its environment and factors such as water temperature and time of year. This dietary flexibility allows tilapia to survive and reproduce in a variety of aquatic environments around the world. These fish are oviparous, meaning they reproduce by releasing eggs and sperm into the water, where fertilization occurs. In natural environments, during the breeding period, male tilapia build nests in protected areas, such as holes in the riverbed or underwater structures such as logs or rocks. Once the nest is ready, the male attracts a female to deposit her eggs, which are fertilized immediately. The male then guards and cares for the eggs until they hatch, protecting them from predators and keeping them oxygenated through the movement of its gills. After hatching, tilapia fry remain near the nest, where they receive parental care from the male for a variable period of time, depending on the species. This reproductive behavior contributes to the reproductive success of tilapia and the increase of its population in rivers and lakes around the world. In captivity, tilapia reproduction is controlled to optimize fingerling production. Typically, producers induce reproduction through techniques such as controlling water temperature and manipulating feeding. Once the fish reach sexual maturity, they are separated into breeding tanks where spawning and fertilization occur. The eggs are collected and transferred to incubators where they receive optimal conditions for development. After hatching, the fry are carefully monitored and fed until they reach the desired size to be sold or transferred to grow-out tanks. This method of captive breeding allows for more precise control over tilapia production for human consumption. Are you enjoying learning more about tilapia? If so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Your interaction is essential for us to continue growing and bringing more content about nature and its interaction with urban areas. A fascinating curiosity about tilapia is its remarkable ability to change sex, a phenomenon known as protandrous hermaphroditism. This means that some tilapia begin their lives as males and, under certain circumstances, can transform into females. This process occurs in response to environmental factors, such as the sex ratio in the population and resource availability. The presence of tilapia in urban areas brings with it a series of benefits and drawbacks that impact both the environment and local communities. Among the benefits, tilapia's ability to control the proliferation of algae and aquatic plants in urban rivers and lakes stands out, helping to maintain water quality. Additionally, recreational fishing for tilapia can provide a source of entertainment and food for local residents, promoting sustainable use of natural resources. However, the excessive presence of tilapia in urban areas can also bring drawbacks. Overcrowding of these fish can lead to competition for resources with other native species, resulting in changes in the structure and function of aquatic ecosystems. Furthermore, tilapia can be an invasive species in certain environments, displacing native species and causing imbalances in the food chain. Despite the potential negative impacts, tilapia plays an important role in the ecological balance of aquatic ecosystems. As part of the food chain, it serves as food for a variety of predators, including birds, mammals, and other fish, helping to maintain biodiversity and the healthy functioning of aquatic ecosystems. Additionally, its ability to filter water and control the growth of aquatic plants contributes to the overall health of urban water bodies. The captive breeding of tilapia for human consumption is a widely adopted practice in many parts of the world due to the rapid growth rate and high productivity of these fish. In aquaculture systems, tilapia are raised in tanks or ponds, where they receive controlled feeding and are closely monitored to ensure their healthy growth. Captive tilapia production has the potential to provide an accessible and sustainable source of animal protein for the human population, helping to meet the growing demand for food. Additionally, tilapia is a versatile and tasty white-fleshed fish species that can be prepared in various ways, making it popular among consumers. Today, we've explored the incredible history of tilapia in our urban rivers. From its evolution to its vital role in aquatic ecosystems, these fish have much to teach us about resilience and adaptation. Don't forget to check out our clothing, accessories, and home decor store as well. Surely, one of these designs will perfectly match your style. Or perhaps you'd like to treat someone special with our amazing products. The store link is in the description. Leave your comments about your experience with tilapia in your city and share this video with your friends. Together, we can learn more about the natural world around us. Remember, in the web of life, every being has its role. Bio is life, bio web.